What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about how to capture your audience as an affiliate marketer. So I've gone over here to the Amazon Associates program. I have a video in the same playlist talking all about Amazon Associates program. You can go check that out. And so say you're doing YouTube. As you can see here, all these are product reviews. And all these videos contain links, affiliate links to the product. Affiliate links from Amazon Associates take you directly through to the product. So we have this product here. This is the landing page that buyers will land on when they hit your affiliate link. Now this is a very bad practice because these buyers, they may not buy your product because a lot of times people don't have the funds at the moment, or they're just not in the mood for buying right now when they click through to your affiliate link. And that is a bad thing. With the Amazon Associates program, it actually saves that for some time. And when the customer buys more products, you actually get commissions for all the products that they buy. I'm not sure of the exact time right now, but I can leave a comment with that information. So this is a very bad practice because of the reason that I just mentioned. This is where you want to build a landing page and have a link that goes to the landing page, grabs the customer's email, and then takes them through to this product. The ClickFunnels over here is a great way to do that. As you can see here, they provide all this information. You can easily make a website using ClickFunnels. It's all drag and drop, very simple. Anyone can do it. They have a 14-day free trial, as it says right here. And ClickFunnels is a great way to make these landing pages. As you can see, if you go in my videos, let's just go to any random one. Let's go this one here. And in the description of my videos, I actually have a link that shows you how we quit our jobs and start making full-time money online. It's always the first link in the description. BernardSchmidtMasterclass.com. I actually have to fix that. As you can see, that is right now not a link because it's not complete. I'm going to fix that soon. But if you go to that link, it will take you to this. I'm just going to go to it right now. So I have to do it the hard way. I'm going to have to fix that. And if we paste that, give it a moment to load. As you can see, this is our landing page. And what this does is you go through, and if you click this button, you have to submit your email. You type in your email address, and then you are added to an email list. And that is really the secret to success as an affiliate marketer. Building that email list. You want to get as much people as possible on that email list. So when a buyer comes through to your product and say they don't buy, if you have that landing page that captured their email, you now have their email address and you can retarget them. You can send out an email to all the people on your email list or just a specific person and target them with related products to see, you have this product here. If they don't buy, you can send them another email reminding them to buy, or you can send them links, affiliate links to related products such as these down here. And you can really target that person and get them to buy more stuff through your affiliate links with that email. And you can really target a lot of people. And that's really a whole nother business in its own, email marketing, which is all done by email lists. That is the power of a landing page. And you're also building trust with the value that you're providing to your customers. And say with YouTube channel, with Facebook, if you go over here, I think it's for this tab here, this is my Facebook page. It's also linked in the header of my channel. If I go back, see the Facebook page right up there, the link if you want to go check that out. On this page, I do basically the same thing that I do on YouTube. I provide information and resources on how to start a business online and quit your job. So that is the power of a landing page. You capture the customer's email and then you can retarget them at any time. You can target all these people at once with products or more training or whatever you want to do. That is up to you. But really, that is it, guys. Stay tuned to this channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one.